This is absurd. This is like 6 inches. Look at that. That is crazy. My suspension is so stiff, so this is not helping at all. Mix that with the snow and the ice and the mini potholes. Here's a tunnel. Let's rip it. Woo! Nice. Oh my God. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I feel like I'm hitting potholes, berms, and I'm in the middle of the road. So I'm gonna change lanes. Like there's any lanes. There you go. A little rough. Oh, more rough. Ice, ice, ice. Potholes, snow, ice. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Does not feel good. Does not feel good. Thank you. So we have a roundabout up here. Let's see if I can pull off any Tokyo drift moves here. I'm gonna lock the diff. Want that predictability. Not too bad, not too bad. A little sloppy on the exit. I know I'm not the only one, but there's something just so soothing about driving at night during a snowstorm. Trying not to die. Like, it's just you in your car trying not to die. I don't know, something so peaceful about that. All that hype is so true. I feel like Subarus just deserve the hype when it comes to winter. Like, nothing beats these things in the winter. Like, I'm running winter tires with studs in it. All-wheel drive, lock diff. I feel invincible, but you don't want to get that mixed up, because you don't want to get that mixed up with false security, because you can still mess up and have a bad time. It's just a lot harder. It's just a lot harder, but you can still do it, so don't get too cocky. Got snow coming over the windscreen. Look at that, man. Just for reference, if you guys think I'm exaggerating, that snow is right up to my door. It is right up to my door. I am not exaggerating when I'm saying, man, this stuff is crazy. See, my temperatures are rising, my coolant temps. My coolant temps are probably rising because the radiators block with snow, because I am snow plowing. Let's go check it out real quick. Look at the wheels, man. That is nuts. Yeah, just like I thought. Blocking. Radiator, don't want that. Cold, man. You know what to say, pro tip, keep a microfiber towel in your car. Really good for getting all the moisture off the windows. Looks like I am not the only one being a little adventurous tonight. Let's get back over here. So I highly recommend, if you're new at driving in the snow, if you're just new at driving in general, go to an empty parking lot, slide around, and learn how your car behaves in snow. Like, winter driving is really not that scary. It's really not that scary. The goal is to stay calm, stay collected, and be smooth, be cool. Usually where most accidents happen is when people are being too jittery. Driving like it's summer, you have to remember, everything is delayed. Your brakes, Your gas, everything is delayed, so you just have to compensate for that. What do I mean by that? When you're braking, soft braking. When you're accelerating, accelerate softer. When you're turning, everything soft. You want these soft movements through the wheels. You want to be all jerky and stuff like that, or it's going to get your car unbalanced. Then you're going to start sliding and you're not going to have a fun time. You're going to get romantic with a berm. So who wants to climb a mountain? Because that is what we're about to do. We're going up hillside. We're driving up a mountain in a blizzard. What can possibly go wrong? It's important to remember that you do not have plot armor. We do not have plot armor. Sometimes people like to think that you are the main character. You are not the main character. Things can still go really bad. And so I want to make sure I keep my humility in check while doing this. Because yes, I'm in a Subaru. Yes, I have studded winter tires on. Yes, I can lock my differential, but things can still go very, very wrong. We want to make sure things don't go very wrong tonight. Now my biggest concern right now is moose. I'm not too worried about the road. I'm pretty confident in my driving and my abilities. It's moose that I am worried about. Moose are Alaskan, like big Alaskan dogs, like oversized deers. They are huge. And hitting one is not a good time. My mom actually hit a moose one time out in the valley. I was with her, I was in the back seat. That was terrifying. I still remember the moose's silhouette. My dad was in the passenger seat and he was like, "Moose!" And my mom, luckily she reacted fast enough to where she clipped it, where the moose rolled over the car instead of falling on. Best case scenario is when the moose rolls over the car, not straight through the windshield. It's a really nice neighborhood up here. Yeah, so Hillside, actually. Hillside is Alaska's equivalent to Beverly Hills. It's where the rich live, and there's a lot of beautiful million-dollar mansions up here. I have an overlook of the mountains. They're all the way up here on the mountains. They have the overlook of Anchorage. It's really awesome. Wildlife fire, danger low. I would assume so. Surprised it's that low. Smokey the Bear, you should know better, man. There's no fire in the winter. So we're gonna turn up here, pretty gnarly, up here. Look at that, look at that. That is crazy. So it's pretty gnarly up here. I am still going. I am still going up. Dead end. Yeah, it's pretty gnarly up here. The roads are a little bit more unkept, climbing higher and higher up in the mountains. Thumbnail. Spooky. Spooky. Oh, especially with the sign, the warning sign. That's a straight cliff, by the way. We don't want to go down there. Hazardous road. See, look, we got warning signs. Hazarded road. Just gets rougher and rougher from here. This car is an absolute beast though. I love it, man. This thing's an absolute beast. Incredible. And visibility just got a little bit worse too. Let's add some fog to the mix, shall we? I want to stay away from that edge, so I'm going to drive mostly in the middle of the road to avoid that edge down there. That dude, that's insane. Watch this, guys. I'm gonna slam on my brakes. See, give you guys an example of you cannot stop. I'm slamming on my brakes. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. That is crazy. Just keep sliding. Just keep sliding. It's getting a little warm in here. You know how freaky it would be to see a Wendigo or something crazy like that right now? Like, imagine if stuff like that existed, like Bigfoot, Yetis, and Wendigos and stuff. Man, I feel like driving at night, just living, man, it would just take such a different meaning. Imagine watching a skinwalker or Wendigo walk across the street, man. Oh man, that'd be freaky. It would be freaky, of course, if I wasn't in a super Subaru. Luckily, I'm in my STI, so I would just be like, woo, woo, woo. Pull out some Connor McRae.